Adventure button.
A pair of giants who lived in the clouds haunted the inhabitants of some villages, stealing their gold and other riches. Among these riches was a magical hen that laid golden eggs and a magical harp that played beautiful, mesmerizing music all by itself.
With my strength, everything is mine. Who's going to stop me?
Said the giant who lived in the clouds, but he would soon discover his end at the hands of a boy. Many years passed, and on a farm near one of the villages plundered by the giants lived a very poor family, including a dreamy and courageous boy named Jack. Jack's mother asked him to sell their only source of income, the cow that gave milk to his little sister and helped in the production of cheese. It was all they had to survive, and they needed to sell the cow to buy food so they wouldn't go hungry.
Now what? Where am I going to sell this cow to get a good price? I won't let my family go hungry anymore.
Hello, young man. Come here so I can help you.
And how can you help me? I'm selling my cow and getting a lot of money for it.
What I have here is worth more than a lot of money. You will have infinite wealth.
What could you possibly have that's worth more than this cow?
What I have here are magic beans. They will give you all the wealth the world has never seen. You would become so rich that you could even reach the clouds.
I don't know. How can I use them? My family is starving, sir. I can't wait 3 months for these beans to grow so I can feed them. I need something urgently to feed my family.
Your mother and sister need these beans. Understand what I'm saying. They're magical. They'll take you to great heights, and you'll be as rich as anyone on this earth.
All right, I'll take them. Keep my cow as payment. If you're lying, we'll undo the trade. I hope my mother understands me. I'm off. See you soon.
Trust me. Live and be happy. See you later, Jack.
Okay, but wait a minute. How does he know my name? And how does he know that I only have my mom and sister? Where is he? Where did he go? I hope he's not tricking me. How strange. I feel like I know him from somewhere.
I can't believe it, Jack. You traded our cow for these beans? Now what are we going to eat? You've disappointed me once again, my son. I'm going to bed to think about what to do tomorrow.
Jack's mother, sad and disappointed, throws the beans out the window. But that night a great storm forms, flooding the pasture and irrigating the bean seeds. The water came to transform the reality of that family. The magic seeds sprouted in seconds and formed a huge beanstalk. Jack and his mother were still asleep when Rebecca, Jack's sister, left the house and looked at the huge plant growing up to the clouds.
Mom, look at this. Didn't I tell you these beans were magic? I'm going to climb this plant and see what's up there.
Jack had no idea that high up in the clouds, there was a castle belonging to the giant, who had haunted his village for years. The giant still had his magic harp and the hen that laid golden eggs.
This is the giant's castle that I heard about in the stories my mother used to tell me. That must be the magic harp stolen by the giant. I'll take it with me.
An intruder here in the castle? But how is that possible? And he's stealing our harp. But maybe we deserve it, after all the harm we've caused.
Fee, fi, fo, fum. I smell the blood of an Englishman.
Thank you for saving me from that monster, but you need to go back there and save the goose that lays the golden eggs. She is in danger with the giant.
I will return to the giant's castle and rescue this chicken.
I'm going after that little thief who stole my harp. I'm going to find him.
Madam, forgive me for taking the harp. I can return it if you wish, but she told me she was suffering at the hands of your husband. I came to rescue the goose that laid the golden eggs. No offense intended.
Don't worry, young man. It was about time my husband learned a lesson. We have done great harm to everyone on Earth. Take these gold coins and help the people in your village. Hurry, before he comes back.
Hey, you little thief. Come back here. Come back here now. Give me back my chicken.
That's great, Jack. We're rich with all this gold, but now what? What shall we do? Shall we buy a castle?
Calm down, my dear.
No, little sister, I'll demonstrate.
A better future blooms from the seeds we sow and the roots we plant.